straight ahead for the most glorious place on the face of the earth or the sky. 1, 2, 1. Hold on your breath, hold on your heart, hold on your soul. March up to the gate and bid it open. Open.
Oh, have you ever seen a place so beautiful?
Oh, the walls are so high.
Oh, I'm getting giddy just looking at them.
Ring the bell, Scarecrow. Let them know we're here, okay? Here goes.
All right.
Now,
Don't do that.
we did.
Well, can't you read?
Read what?
The notice.
What
notice? It's on the door. It's as clear as the nose on my face. It's just a minute.
Bell out of order. Please knock.
Well, that's more like it. Now state your business.
We want to see the wizard.
The wizard. Nobody can see the Great Oz. Nobody's ever seen the Great Oz. Even I've never seen him.
Well, then how do you know there is one?
Because, if there wasn't a wizard, why are you here?
Oh, please, I just got to see the wizard. The Good Witch of the North sent me.
Prove it.
She's wearing the ruby slippers she gave her.
Oh, well, she is. Well, bust my buttons. Why'd you say that in the first place? This is a horse of a whole different color.
See, come on, horse.
I am so sorry.
He wasn't on the other side of that door. Why put away?
He's coming out.
Welcome to Emerald City.
Thank you.
Have you come far?
Just the longest of ways.
Well, believe me, every step worth it. Have you ever wondered about how wonderful this place really is?
Well, I've tried to imagine it, but I haven't got a brain. They said I'd fall in love with it if I had a heart.
It's the one place I don't need any courage, because there's nothing there to scare me. Is there?